Meditation is not just about sitting quietly with your eyes closed. It's actually about entering a state where you feel something deeply while calming your thoughts. For instance, imagine eating a meal. If you focus only on the food in front of you, savoring each bite, noticing the texture, flavors, and aromas, and allowing yourself to be fully immersed in the experience, that is a form of meditation. You are not letting your mind wander to other things. Instead, you are entirely present in that moment with your meal. Meditation can happen during any activity when you give it your full attention and let go of other distractions. It's about finding a moment of peace and clarity by truly engaging with what you are doing. So, whether you are walking, listening to music, or simply enjoying a cup of tea, you can turn those moments into meditation by focusing deeply and letting your thoughts settle. It's about being present and fully experiencing life as it happens. Thank you for watching.